If you touch an electric wire carrying current, you get a shock. But if on the same wire the birds sit, they do not get any shock current. Explain why. The reason birds are not electrocuted when sitting on power lines has to do with differences in conductivity between birds and humans. Power lines carry high voltages but low currents. Electricity always takes the path of least resistance to the ground. For a small bird, their feet have a high resistance due to feathers providing insulation between the feet and the wire. Humans, on the other hand, conduct electricity more readily through our bodies due to sweat and lack of insulation between hand and wire. It only takes a small current passing through the heart to cause fibrillation and potential electrocution. Birds are safe because their level of contact and resistance is not enough for a dangerous electric current to pass through. Thank you.